let me show you how you can manage your notifications inside of AngelList Talent, or now known as Well Found. If you want or don't want specific notifications inside of this platform, let me show you how you can exactly manage it. Once you're logged in inside of your account, you just need to head over to your profile. Once you click on this profile icon, you'll straight away see the section called notifications. You just need to head over to it, and these are all of the notifications that you can manage. All the way from job alerts to direct messages, you can either choose to turn on or turn off one of these options. Let's say you do not want to get notified for newsletters, you can come to this section and just turn off this option. As soon as you click on this option, the notification will be turned off, both on the notifications tab as well as if you are subscribed to the newsletter on your email address as well. You will also see a section called marketing emails from Well Found. If you are not interested in these types of emails as well, you can make sure to toggle these options off, and you won't be getting any types of marketing emails from Well Found inside of your email address. So that is the exact way that you can manage the notifications inside of AngelList Talent, or now known as Well Found. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.